Yes, nice. Ta-da, ta-da. Oh no. We've all been there. One moment you're replying to a quick lol, the next you're explaining why you missed a call from the COO. Mobile phones at work, lifesaver or landmine? Your phone is your lifeline. Messages, schedules, memes, Spotify, everything. But work has different ideas: boundaries, policies, security, and productivity. Two phones, one for work, one for play. Clean, simple, but clunky. Now you'll need double the pockets, double the charges, and there's double the chance of leaving one in the loo. On the plus side, the option creates a hard line between work and personal life. It's ideal for high security roles or industries with strict regulations. However, it does mean carrying, managing, and charging two devices, which may not be practical for everybody. Modern smartphones often support dual SIM or eSIM. This means you can have one phone with two numbers, one for work and one for personal. You can assign apps, calls, and messages to specific SIMs. It's a good middle ground, offering separation without duplication. If you have an Android device, its work profile feature is like a digital firewall. This feature isolates work apps and data from personal content. When your workday ends, toggle it on. This will temporarily deactivate or hide work apps, notifications, and data. Woohoo! Emails, work notifications, and work calendar pop-ups all paused. It's a powerful tool for digital well-being and compliance. iOS doesn't yet offer this natively, but you can use focus modes to achieve it in a similar way. Regardless of the setup you choose, the real key is setting boundaries. Use Do Not Disturb. Schedule app silences and avoid checking work messages outside of hours unless necessary. If your workplace offers guidance or tools, use them. It's about respecting both your time and the organization's time. Here is an example of my current workplace guidance. At the end of the emails, there's a little sentence that they asked us to add, voluntarily. I am sending this email at a time convenient for me. It is not expected for you to read or respond outside of your regular work hours. Your phone doesn't have to be the office villain. With the right setup, it can be your sidekick, not your saboteur. Managing your mobile phone at work doesn't have to be complicated. Whether it's two phones, dual SIMs, or a work profile, the right solution depends on your role, your workplace, and your habits. By the way, I'm George, and if you're new to this stuff, you're in the right place. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more beginner-friendly breakdowns, and leave a comment with something you're new to. Maybe I'll cover it next. See you soon.